We're more culinary majors than anything.
Nah, Shamari.
Wiz, you got any words of wisdom? You don't get him a TV.
Don't smoke with the lemon.
Birthday, you got any words of wisdom to any brothers that's watching this video? Something like that. No doubt.
Stay strong, dog. Stay strong. Put your head down.
Yo, we on live right now. Words of wisdom, bro.
No soft niggas, yo.
Yo,
You get some adobo for the burger?
Shamari, any words of wisdom, Shamari? You on live, Gamma TV.
Oh, adobo.
Yo, we out here. Yo.
We out here. We out here. 3 lines. 3s.
Whoa, let's turn the camera on him now. Boss, any words of wisdom?
No.
Any words of wisdom, D?
Let's go to one else.
Yo, right now, this guy that's walking away from the crowd right now, Knowledge, number 12, he just got his ass whooped by this man right here. On the crowd line, spring 2009, this guy Spank.
Love you, baby.
Okay, but you lost the game. Get out the camera.
He lost by 21.
We got Chris right here. Why'd you say something stupid? What's good, Chris? How you doing, man? How you doing? Oh, he's going to violate? We're going to keep the camera on you.
We got the vintage on.
You know, this guy right here, we're going to follow him and really get annoying. Actually, I just seen another OG brother that's interesting. What's good, Teddy?
Poppin', my dude.
Words of wisdom for anybody watching this?
Yo, holla at your boy Schemes, man.
Ooh wee.
Don't ever let life run you. You run life.
One man strong out here. Ooh wee.
Yeah,
We got the founder right here. Forget all the rest. We got the founder out here.
Watching gunshots, blood fire
Ross Clyde.
with the Phantom.
Any words of wisdom?
It was the Phantom.
Words of wisdom? What's good, E?
It was the wisdom.
Ooh.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Yo, I have a lot of things on statement trying to word it properly.
It'll come to you.
It will come to you. Watch your mouth.
I'm good.
No crumbs is good, man.
Do we need to get a close-up on that?
Yeah, I'm saying, I'm trying to look out for him, and he acting up. He acting up.
Okay, I just seen a B.
He got vagina hair in his mouth.
Let's get the close-up.
What's all this scruffy then?
Grown man, I don't feel like shaving.
Really? No, this is grown man. I don't feel like shaving. This is
We got some Deltrons out here trying to
I
stunt.
don't feel like shaving. It's like me. You got it, because you want the ass face and shit.
I don't go there.
I don't know. I don't know that crispy. I don't know.
Oh, don't front like you wasn't eating the box last night. Let's not get crazy.
I really wasn't.
You sure? Let's get a close-up on him lip. I'm getting a close-up on it right now.
It's a tattoo.
Look at this.
It's a tattoo.
So he got that butter. got that butter all over your lip. My big right here. Finesse. Any words of wisdom?
Nah.
Something like?
Not from Warren G, son. Warren G don't
It's a squad right here. I would go over to Yabi, but it's some bees over there, and I'm scared of bees. So we're going to get a close-up on him. So I can't answer no questions right now, but he's over there. It's Yabi Woods, president of the org. Kev right here, man, a few words, but he's here. It's the second video today. I don't know where my great-grand is at. He's living a lie somewhere. In the back of his head like a light bulb. But we got Suave over here for the biddies, for the ladies. He's out here. He has some cargos on with some chicletas on. Let's get a close up on them chicletas.
It's an ethnic picture.
Let's get some close ups on them chicletas. Make the girls want to say. We have the loser of 2K9 walking by.
Yo, no! What happened, son?
We have the. Let's get a close up on that man, God. And last but not least, the man, the one and only Big Daddy Spaz. Yes, I'm here. Just want to end it off on a good note. Told them games out there, keep the king size up. You know what I'm saying? We getting it live. Oh, there go Javon right there. Let's get a close up on that head. Hey, Javon. You're on Live Game TV. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. I hear that. So we out. We signing out right now. Part 2 of the video. So we out. Deuces. G. Smooth.